I'm going to teach you guys a little hack. If you guys have a touch push button start like this, and you guys have a key fob like this that starts your car, if this key fob ever stops working, if the transponder on it goes out, or I think if just the battery dies on it, you can't start your car. And these things cost $300. Now, I can sit here, you depress the brake with your foot, and then you push this button. You can see I'm pushing it over and over and over, and it says key fob not detected because the transponder in it is not working. Okay, so this is junk, right? Key fob not detected. Well, here's the hack. Instead of taking your finger and pushing it, that'll never work no matter how close you have the key fob to it. It doesn't matter, it won't work. Here's the hack. Depress your foot on the brake. Well, you can't see it, but I do have my foot on the brake. And instead of using your finger, take the actual key fob itself and depress the button with the key fob. Your car starts every time. Yes, a lot of people don't know that. So there's the hack. And then also to get into your car, I guess you know this part, it's hard to do one-handed, but this part comes off, the metal part, and exposes a key, and that'll get you into your car. Of course, your battery alarm, your car alarm will probably go off, but it just comes out of the top of your key there, out of your fob, and goes right back in. But there you go. Bet you guys didn't know that, did you?